Miss Pal here. I've just invented the most amazing thing, and I think that it's not every day that you can invent something that could save lives and also look really amazing. And anyway, so let me show you this. This is the thing that I just invented, because in the UK we're still very confused about face masks and we're still being told not to wear them. But I went out today and I saw a couple of people wearing them, and I was thinking, what can I use to make a face mask? And I decided to experiment with some things in my drawer, and this is what came out of it. And I think it's really rather cool. So anyway, this is how it looks when it's finally done, and it looks like this, which is really cool, right? And you can obviously tighten it up so the instructor sits better. But actually, what's really cool is what it looks like underneath, which looks like this. So you've actually got like a double face mask. And this bit goes across your mouth, and this bit goes down here. And so this is made from a Zumba instructor at Racerback. And yeah, it's quite warm because it's a double one. And you could also lift it up if you had to. So you could get a double there. Like so, just there. But it's quite good for me because I've got little ears. So it's hard for me to get something that goes across the top. And actually I kind of like that there, because then you can have this sort of loose. And what I've done at the back is it's just made tighter by having, you see that? I'm going to take it round and I'll take it off, and you can see it's actually with a hairband. So, yeah. So on the back of it, what I've actually done is tighten up the little band here with a hairband, so it just fits quite nicely. So if I take this off, you can see how it happens. No cutting, no sewing, anything like that. So you just, obviously, what you do is you basically take your Racerback. Hello. You take your Racerback and you put it on like that. So it's upside down, back to front, inside out. So reverse, reverse, reverse. Okay. This looks really dodgy, I know. Okay. So you do that, and when you put it on, so you put it in there, and that's going to cover up your mouth and your nose there. And what happens is, so as you come down there, it just goes like that. And then what you find is that the bit that goes all the way around is what would be your normal neck hole. You just tighten up at the back. Looks like that. And then also you have a little bit of a design on the back. So the front becomes the back as well. It doesn't look great like this, but as you saw at the beginning, when you tighten it up, so you could tie the armholes together, or you can use like a hairband or a clip to tighten it up. But there you go, easy peasy. And so you can tighten up quite a lot with that hairband there. I might show you with a different one so it's a bit easier. Okay, but the good thing about it as well is that when you're done, did you see that hairband? I'll show you around. Oh, getting a bit tired now. So you can see what we've actually done. It's just taken a hairband and tighten up that bit there so that it sits on your nose. Okay, all right. Oh, that's better. So, and then also what you do is when you want to get your Racerback, when all this is over, you just take your Racerback, because you don't want to mess it up, because it was quite nice. It's a brand new one, it's just a bit too small for me. And you just take it back and wear it like that. Okay, so how to make a face mask from your Racerback, and reuse, reuse, reuse. Okay, thanks, bye.